And the last thing we need is for... Calm down! You gonna tell me to calm down? I got reporters walking up to me talking about real estate fraud, talking about money laundering. Those are some dirty words, son. I can't have them words being slung around in the middle of a goddamn mayoral campaign. Clean it up! You Frank's boy?
Something like that.
Simple yes or no question warrants a simple yes or no answer, son.
What do you need me to do?
Boy's got some attitude. You best be careful with that, lest you end up like the dog.
What dog?
One that went and bit the hand feeding him. Now listen, there's a boat docked at the marina called Sunny Side Up. You need to get that boat and then call me.
Is that boat yours?
I'm sorry. I must have missed the part where I asked if you had any questions.
Waitresses alike were impressed by a successful robbery committed earlier today at City of Saints Casino. Some witnesses commented that the whole affair seemed, quote, like a movie. Authorities are combing the City of Saints vault for clues, but at this point, forensic evidence has not been found. Police Captain Hamlet stated in a press conference earlier today,
"This robbery was either an inside job committed by highly trained professionals. I'm very, very impressed."
Stay tuned as we are updated on the situation.
Get his captain to salute.
I tried pills, screws, strapping it to a pencil with rubber bands. I was considering throwing myself off the Hoover Dam. Step away from that ledge, buddy, because there's a berry solution. Grown in South America, this little berry is guaranteed to make you harder than Chinese algebra. 20... Stop! I'll have the money soon! Stop!
You're behind on 2 months of thing.
Please, I got a family.
Should have thought of that before you gambled with money you didn't have.
Oh man, thanks.
I'm looking for a boat called Sunny Side Up.
Huh? That's my boat. What do... Oh man, you guys won't let up. Just take it.
I got the boat.
Good.
Hello? Prick.